Hi, my name is Tom Banks and I'm an offering manager for the IBM Voice Agent with Watson service, and I'm excited to be here with Dean, who is the Director of Product Strategy at Blueworx, to talk about a new capability that we're bringing to Blueworx's IVR. So Dean, tell us a little bit about what the capabilities are with this.
So we're really excited too. Blueworx is a strong industrial strength telco grade IVR, and we're looking really at improving the customer experience. And one of the best ways we can do that is using AI, and Watson's perfect for that. And Voice Agent allows us to connect to Watson and dramatically improve the experience while merging it with existing infrastructure. So we have no problems connecting to CTI or existing switches. We're technology agnostic, so we can connect to a wide range of switches and then unleash power in Watson using your product.
Excellent. And why do you think it's so important to be bringing Watson and cognitive services to the call center space? How do you see the importance of doing it now versus in the future?
So without a doubt, AI is coming to the contact center, and it needs to, because we need to completely transform the experience, and customers are beginning to expect that kind of experience, not just be surprised by it. So you really need it for a competitive advantage. The problem is with AI is that it takes a while to actually teach it. And so by running two systems side by side, a traditional IVR and the Watson AI engine, you can gradually migrate at a pace that suits your business. But as you say, the most important thing is that you have to start very soon, because it takes a while and your competitors will be gaining an advantage if you're not doing that.
Absolutely, and on the timing of it, you can start small now and get something relatively quickly off the ground, but then as Dean said, you want to be able to migrate and add additional capabilities over time to further enhance your call center capabilities. So Dean, do you want to go into a little bit more detail on how this partnership's working and the advantages we're giving to customers when they are using this combined solution?
Yeah, sure. So the key advantage of the combined solution is the integration with existing infrastructure. I think many people who own and run call centers are very concerned, and understandably so, about a rip and replace approach. I mean, every minute that an IVR is down can have an impact of hours on a contact center. So by using this approach, this joined approach, it means that we can replace just a small component and then gradually add more and more cognitive ability as the time suits, without any kind of rip and replace or downtime.
Absolutely, and we've got a demo that you showed at the presentation yesterday to some customers that shows the seamless integration between the two products. So how have you found that?
This has been probably one of the most exciting experiences, because we can switch and fluidly move between the different technologies. We can blend cognitive conversation with traditional voice XML IVRs, perhaps an existing IVR that's already in there and working just fine. But also we can move the call over to our PCI data center for processing credit card transactions. We can pull in other services like sentiment analysis or biometrics as well. And so we can blend all these, as you can see from the diagram, we can blend all of these technologies into a single phone call. So we can start by the call coming in, verify that the user is who they say they are using voice biometrics. We then hand over to Watson for a beautiful, fluid conversation. Then back to directed dialogue, an existing application which is working just fine, no need to replace that. And then we could use, say, Watson Discovery to find out how that caller can pay their bill, move over to a PCI environment, and then back to Watson speech to text for a transcription. And all this is seamless.
Absolutely, and it's a fantastic proposition for customers who want to blend those existing capabilities, maybe some of the newer capabilities such as voice biometrics.
Yeah.
And that's why we're so excited to be partnering with Blueworx, as they make it incredibly easy to be able to combine all of these capabilities into a single solution using the power of Watson and the voice agent with Watson. So if customers want, or you want to learn more about getting started with this or learn more about the offering, then you can either approach your IBM rep or a Blueworx representative, and we'll be happy to talk to you more about this.